Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and these are Apple's new AirPods Pro. Straight away from the front of the box you see the picture of the new design. The box is a typical Apple product box with some Apple logos on the side, and at the back we do have a picture of the wireless charging case, and on the top here it says AirPods Pro. Upon opening the box, we are initially presented with some paperwork consisting of quick start guide and other warranty certificate. Then we have the AirPods Pro inside this charging case. I'll put them to the side and let's see what all things we get in the box. Inside this compartment, we do have some silicone ear tips. We have small and large, and the medium size is already on the AirPod. Then we have a USB-C to lightning cable. Now this Type-C lightning cable is kept like what we get in iPhone 11 Pros. Now here is the charging case, which is slightly different in size compared to previous AirPod cases. Let's open this up, and here they are. Let's take a closer look of these before we connect them. Right away, we can see that they are different from previous AirPods. These AirPod Pros cost around $249, that is around 18,000 rupees. Now that's pretty high end. So let's see what's so pro about these AirPods. First of all, let's start with the design. You can see that they are a little bit smaller and they have a shorter stem when compared to previous AirPods. They kinda look like that one Pokemon. But I think they look good. They are now officially IPX4 rated for water resistance, so you can easily wear them while working out or jogging, and they sit firmly in your ears thanks to these rubber tips. They still have Apple's H1 chip, so the pairing process is pretty easy. You just have to open them near your iPhone or iPad and you get this little tutorial on how to use these. And as you can see, this tutorial walks you through media controls, reading your messages using Siri, and noise cancellation. That's right, AirPods Pro do have active noise cancellation. This isn't just passive noise cancellation that comes with other earbuds. These use the microphones and these vents to provide you active noise cancellation. I've been using these earphones for about 24 hours, and I got to say, the noise cancellation is pretty good, and you can still hear the sounds around you thanks to the transparency mode. You can turn on the noise cancellation in different ways. You can flip it on from the quick settings in iOS 13.2 with that volume, or you can squeeze the stem, which is now pressure sensitive, for about a second and it will activate or deactivate noise cancellation. If you go to settings in Bluetooth, you will see this AirTip Fit Test. You can run through it. It will play a short sound in your ears and use the microphones inside AirPods Pro to determine if you have a good fit or not. That's something new and an excellent feature. But there are no volume controls on these earphones. So to adjust the volume, you each time have to pull your phone out of the pocket. Now that's something Apple should have thought of. That's pretty much everything that's new with the brand new AirPods Pro. So far, it feels like a complete package if you're into it. They look a little different but have the same vibe and the same idea, just a bit more expensive with some more features. The noise cancellation is actually pretty impressive. Either way, let me know if you have any questions or comments down below. And if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already for some more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.